Hey guys, Jennifer Brown here, and today we're going to see what happens if we put pizza in the microwave. So let's get started. I wonder how long should I put it in there for? How long do you think? How long do you think? Do you think a minute? Okay, MJ. Okay, guys. So 45 seconds. Okay, I gotta get out of here. Oh my god. Okay. So here we go. I gotta stand right here. Okay. So we gotta wait 45 seconds. So it can be microwaved. Pizza can be microwaved. Okay. Here we go. Here we go, guys. And if this would have been in there, I would have had to stop it right away. Oh my god. Here we go. Let's go check how long there's left. There's like 15 seconds left until my pizza's ready, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this microwave-related type of video. And no copyright infringement intended. Alright, let's go see what. Okay. It's perfect. So, that's what happens. It just gets warm. So that's what happens if you put pizza in the microwave. If you like this video, be sure to like, share, comment down below, subscribe, and bye!